So, hi all, how are you all? So, लॉकडाउन 3.0 स्टार्टेड. फिर से घर पे बैठना है बिकॉज वही है टू स्टे सेफ. वी हैव टू स्टे एट होम. Yes, of course, some relaxation was there, but that doesn't mean that we just have to dump on the road without any much without even there is any emergency or anything really we require. So stay at home, stay safe, because this is the way that we have to do to fight this COVID-19. And now if you talk about me, I love roaming. आई लव टू गो आउटसाइड. मतलब घर पे बैठना तो मेरे लिए हो ही नहीं सकता है बिल्कुल भी. दो आई एम इन ए प्रोफेशन दैट आई डिड मस्ट इट नॉट रिक्वायर मी टू गो टू मच आउट, बट मुझे ज़्यादा बाहर जाना नहीं पड़ता है. बट स्टिल आई लव आउटिंग एंड आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड पीपल who love to go out, how they are feeling. But can I tell you something, that what I am doing in this time to remove my stress, to remove my frustration in that in sitting at home, I'm thinking in this way that ki let's create some memory, that we are the generation, we had this moment or we had a memory that कि हम अपने next generation को ये बताएंगे कि एक सा एक टाइम आया था जब एक पेंडेमिक आया था एंड 3 months वी आर लाइक सिटिंग एट होम, वी हैव बीन लॉकडाउन और सो मेनी मोमेंट विदाउट अदर देन टॉकिंग अप दैट कि हमारे साथ ऐसे क्यों हुआ, हम ही ऐसे क्यों किए. वी कैन थिंक इन दिस वे दैट लाइक दैट कि हम कुछ अच्छा मेमोरी बनाते हैं और बताते हैं कुछ एडवेंचरल थिंग. बट फाइंड यू वे हाउ यू आर गोइंग थिंकिंग ऑफ दिस टाइम. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर नाउ एक्सपेरिमेंट इज कुकिंग. That's also a good thing. So find your way how you are going to get engaged. Now this is some other part. Now coming back to my topic or talk of the day. So now today I am going to talk of very common issue, or we can tell that the talk of the town. Every other people whom I met or whom you also met, they had this issue. Yes, I am talking about hair fall or hair issue. सो आपके आजकल की जनरेशन में ना हम किसी से भी मिले, whoever I'm in a profession where I keeps on meeting up my clients. So one additional problem with all of them is that hair fall, and the moment you talk about hair, lots of questions आते हैं. मुझे मेरे हेयर फॉल होते हैं, मेरे हेयर डिजी है, मेरे हेयर फिजी हो जाते हैं, ड्राईनेस, ड्राई हेयर, मॉइस्चर, लॉट्स ऑफ इशू. सो एंड if you ask them what was the reason behind your hair issues or hair fall or all the issues you are facing with your hair, one question you will get, like we started blaming to all this environment, that environmental pollution, water खराब है, पानी खराब है. अगर आप बैंगलोर में रहते हो तो the famous dialogue, famous line you have to learn that कि हाँ Bangalore is too hard weather, that's why we are facing this hair fall. free radical है, बाहर इतने pollution है, air pollution. ये stay on, yes, this could be a reason of your hair issues, but this is not the real reason of your hair issue. So before go, I will tell you what was the real issue or the real reason of your hair struggling or hair fall challenges you are having. Before that, let me clear one thing, that hair fall and hair related issues, these are two different stages. Okay, hair fall means आपके बालों का झड़ना, hair new hair का growth नहीं होना, this is one issue. And hair related issue like your dizziness, fizziness on your hair, dry hair, too much oily hair, split ends, dandruff, like no moisture on your hair, this is some different issue. This is related to hair issues. So today these are two different issues, and the reason behind this is also different. So today I am going to talk about hair fall, and the other part will cover in my next series. So let's discuss what is hair fall and what are the reason behind your hair fall. So first of all, hair fall is general. It will happen. आपके बाल कितने भी strong हो, चाहे आप कितना अच्छा भी रखें उसको, hair fall will happen because hair after some days our hair will dead. It is like ना जान नहीं रहती है, so it will dead. And in a day 80 to 100 count of hair fall is okay, no worry to them that. But the concern is arrived on that point when hair fall is there but and sometimes more hair fall is there, but new hair is not coming. Yes, when 80 to 90 hair fall is happening on that hair follicle, at the simultaneously जब बाल निकल जाते हैं, झड़ जाते हैं, तो सेम at that same time on that hair follicle on your scalp, new hair will grow. This is a process, like a cycle. Hair will gone, then from that same hair follicle new hair will come. And when this thing not happen, that then we are struggling with hair follicle or alopecia is coming. This is the earlier stage of alopecia. Now why this happen? This happen because, and this is very common in today's generation, because we are lacking of some nutrition gap. There will be some lacking of your nutrient which will require for your hair follicle or for hair to grow new hair, and if you are lacking on that part, it will leads you to more and more hair fall. So now what are these nutrition? So the first and the most major nutrient required for your hair follicle to grow new hair, and at the same time to stop your more and more count on your hair fall, is protein. So protein, yes, protein. If I talk about protein, starting from our hair to our toenails, पैर के जो नाखून होते हैं ना, everything is made up of protein. Yes, you heard me right, everything is made up of protein. And to be surprised, if you Google it or you can go to any search engine, 80% of your body parts, all your organs, either internal organ, outer organ, skin, hair, everything is made up of protein. And if any deficiency of protein is there, it will lead to so many damages, starting from a small hair fall to big organ damages also. Now coming to a big myth related to protein. What is that? Protein हमें छोटे से बताया था, if we take more protein, it will leads us to obese. हमें वो मोटा कर देगा, हम मोटे हो जाएंगे, हमारा किडनी खराब हो जाएगा. नहीं, nothing is going to happen on like that. According to RDA standard, do you know, according to RDA standard, for an adult, healthy adult, the protein requirement of your body is 1 gram equivalent to per kg of your body weight. That means for a 50 kg weight adult, 50 gram of protein, daily requirement of protein is 50 gram. Now you just check your protein daily diet, what you are taking, and take your protein intake and find, are you fulfilling this? Is your protein intake is fulfilled by your diet only? And people who are not able to do this, your protein analysis, you just get back to me. I will do it for you. I will do your protein analysis, and you will much surprised to know that there will be a big gap. Okay, a big gap, एक बहुत बड़ा गैप हमेशा रहता है, स्पेशली इन इंडियन पीपल. For that 60 to 70% of Indian peoples had protein deficiency. So now coming to the part how protein deficiency will lead to a hair fall. So our hair follicle, the hair follicle from where our hair is grow, that is made up of a very tough protein which we call keratin. So keratin is the protein which is responsible for our hair follicle and to the growth of our hair follicle cells. And when this protein is lacked on our hair follicle, or like our when keratin is less in our hair follicle, that means it leads to our cell damages in our hair follicle. At the same time, the new hair will not grow, and it will lead to more and more hair fall. So it is very much required to take care of our protein intake, so that the keratin protein will reach on the proper amount to our hair follicle, so that new cells will be built there in our hair follicle, and it will lead to new hair growth, so that hair fall, if there is hair fall, at the same time hair growth will be also there. So this first thing is protein. Then the second thing is iron, and iron is like essential things for us. So it is a micronutrient which is much required for all of human body, and in case of a woman the requirement is more and more. and if iron deficiency is there, it can lead you to so many problems like anemia is there most commonly. Apart from that, iron deficiency also can leads you to struggle with your organs like your things, body parts like hair, nails, your skin. So many things will happen. So now see how it happened. So iron is responsible to build hemoglobin. हम सब ने पढ़ा होगा अपने चाइल्डहुड में हो या अपने कॉलेज में हो कि ब्लड में हीमोग्लोबिन होता है. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट हीमोग्लोबिन? Again, hemoglobin is a protein where hemo is stand for iron and globin is a protein, and this hemoglobin protein is responsible for oxygen transformation in our whole through blood. It will transfer oxygen to our organs. So when hemoglobin is less in our hair follicle, when iron deficiency is there, automatically hemoglobin will less because iron is responsible to build this hemoglobin. So when iron deficiency is there, hemoglobin is loss is there. That means if in our hair follicle there is no oxygen is not passing to that. That means again our cells are not getting oxygen. That and there जब oxygen नहीं मिलेगा तो क्या होगा? We all know that after certain time it will dead. Same things happen to our cells because cells are also living creature, right? Living things, living organs of our body part. So when iron deficiency is there, it will lead to less generation of hemoglobin, and less generation of hemoglobin, that means it will lead to your dead. It will tend to your cells to dead. And when I talk about hair, when the cells in your hair follicle will dead, they are not getting enough amount of oxygen. That means cells dead, and it will again tend to the same thing, hair fall, no hair growth. At the same time dead cells result to more hair fall. जब ज़्यादा cells dead होंगे तो definitely it will lead to more hair fall. So these are two things. First I called protein, keratin protein. Second one is iron. And if I talk about iron, according to RDA standard, 70 to 18 mg of iron is daily required for our body. And if I talk about the dietary part of the food from where we get the iron, all the green leafy vegetable, पालक हो गया, मेथी हो गया, आपके पुदीना हो गया, so many green leaves are there, beetroot, gajar, egg, so many things are there through which we can get iron. And still, if you have, after taking all this proper diet, if you are still facing iron deficiency, then you can go for a supplement also. Now coming to this iron, if you go to the doctor, if you go to your doctors also, they are also prescribing, if you iron deficiency, they will also prescribe you some iron tablets which are in medicine forms. Now the problem or the challenges with all these iron medicines is that they comes with certain side effects, not major one, but you must have hear people complaining of like constipation, gastration is there, indigestion, vomiting, nausea, feelings whole out the day. So it varies, people to people varies. कुछ को कोई problem नहीं होता है, but if you get most of the people, they faces these problems with iron medication. So now what is the alternative? You can go, if you have iron deficiency, then you can go for a iron supplement. Now again, while choosing for your supplement, you can always be careful. You can take advice like from experts, or you can also, whoever is want to know more, you can get back to me also. While choosing, you must aware of from where it is made, like it is a food supplement or it is a chemical supplement, it is an organic one, because in supplement also there are so many varieties. So better to take advice before going or taking anything, though it will not going to harm you anything, but still according to your benefit you have to choose your product. So why to waste money और बस लेते ही रहे, ऐसे तो नहीं ना, रिजल्ट भी मिलना चाहिए. So you should talk to your experts before choosing. If you are going for any supplementation, you can talk to an experts. Now the third one is, मैंने क्या क्या cover किया? Keratin protein, then hemoglobin protein, which we get from our iron. Now the third thing is zinc. So zinc, if I talk about zinc, it was the most underrated protein or underrated vitamin for in human body. But do you know that the deficiency of zinc can leads you so many problems, small problems, which are not exactly not your life. So many problems which will which may cause you so many problems, or so many which may cause so many obstacle on your lifestyle. Like जैसे कि हेयर फॉल, नेल्स में प्रॉब्लम हो गया, हेयर के प्रॉब्लम हो गया, स्किन के प्रॉब्लम हो गया. दिस थिंग्स विल नॉट इफेक्ट योर लाइफ. लाइफ चलती रहेगी. सर पे बाल ना रहे, नेल्स अच्छे नहीं रहे तो लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. बट येस, it will affect our lifestyle, because without hair our lifestyle is like nothing, right? We love our hair. It is like a crown to our body. We all wanted a good hair, and we all want it. So here for this small reason zinc is important. Now see what zinc is doing. So for our hair, zinc is like a, it is a miracle. It is like a what? It is a holding things. लाइक वो होता है ना जैसे सीमेंट किसी चीज़ को पकड़ के रखता है. दिस इज़ जस्ट लाइक ए सीमेंट. सो वी लाइक सी हाउ इट्स वर्क. सो वी मस्ट नो दैट कि हेयर फॉलिकल होता है. हेयर फॉलिकल के अंडर सीबेसियस ग्लैंड होता है. ऑन दैट सीबेसियस ग्लैंड ऑयल सिक्रेशन हैपन, एंड दिस ऑयल इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल टू गिव्स आवर हेयर मॉइस्चर. इट कीप्स इट बाइंडिंग और एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग विथ ऑन दिस हेयर फॉलिकल. यस, ये ऑयल हेयर फॉलिकल, ये सीबेसियस ग्लैंड से जो ऑयल निकलता है वो हमारे हेयर फॉलिकल में हेयर की जड़ों को पकड़ के रखता है. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू ए हेल्दी हेयर, फ्रॉम ईच हेयर फॉलिकल देयर विल बी मिनिमम 5 hair. If 5 hair is there, then your hair is healthy. From a single hair follicle, if 5 hair is coming out, that means your hair is a healthy condition. And this will happen when the 5 से ज़्यादा है तो भी healthy है, but minimum 5 होना चाहिए. And this will happen when your hair follicle is so strong so strongly holded by this by this oil which is released from the sebaceous gland. And this oil secretion is happened properly by zinc nutrition. If zinc nutrition is not there, if you lack in zinc nutrition, the oil secretion will not going to happen, and this will lead to your hair follicle to loosen out and hair fall will happen. जब ऑयलिंग नहीं मिलेगा, मॉइस्चर नहीं रहेगा तो क्या होगा? जब सीमेंट अच्छे से नहीं लगेगा, देन ऑटोमेटिकली पकड़ लूज हो जाती है. सेम थिंग हैपन व्हेन देयर इज नो ऑयल. द हेयर फॉलिकल व्हिच इज होल्डिंग all the hair together, it will loosen up and our hair fall started. So this could be one more reason. So what 3 things I am covered? The first is keratin protein, then second is iron which is responsible for hemoglobin, then the third one is zinc. These 3 are the major nutritional requirement of your hair to keep it strong, and so that the hair fall will not happen. Minimum will happen 80 to 100 daily will happen, and will nothing to do on that, nothing to worry. But at the same time, new hair growth should be there, and if you are lacking of any of this nutrient, that means your new hair growth will not happen, and that when also it will lead to more hair fall, and you will again started complaining about hair fall हो रहा है, hair fall हो रहा है, hair fall हो रहा है. So now the things is that okay, what to do? So just go and check, are you have any deficiency of any of these 3 things? If you need any help on this, if your just get back to me. I will do your protein analysis, I will help you on that. And for your iron deficiency or your zinc deficiency, you have to go for a blood test, because it is something which I have to deal with the pathology. So that's all. Any questions, any doubts on this part, you just drop me a message. So then in the next session we'll decide about the hair related issues. For today this much is good, because so many things you are not going to get confused, and so many if I talk all the things like कि hair fall क्यों होता है और hair issues क्यों होता है. So we'll stop now. on this, only on this part, that is hair fall. On my second part I will deal with the hair related issues. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Stay home, stay happy. Thank you.